Celebrate the whole month-long celebration of love, life, family, and friendship and togetherness of the dance sports family of Tanay City. By the way, my name is Dan, your favorite host because wala po kayong choice. Sir Manjo and Ma'am Liberty and Mamira always chose me to be here. And of course, ang saya-saya ko po nakasama kayo from Christmas party up until this very night. Medyo dumami tayo tonight, Sir Manj, tama? Now this time, since napakarami po natin today, let me now check everyone's energy dahil, of course, bawal po negativity today. Dapat let's all spread love and positivity because we are celebrating Valentine's Day. Hello! Yung hindi sumagot, mamalasin buong taon. February pa po tayo. Marami pa pong buwan na daraan. Hello! Hi! Ladies and gentlemen, Tanay City Dance Sports Team family, welcome to the Tanay City Dance Sports Team Post Valentine's Party 2025. This time, palakpakan nyo naman yung isa't isa. You know what? In my experience, this is actually the only dance sports team that has actually lots of celebration and events. Napakaraming event, napakarami nating pera and budget. This year, ladies and gentlemen, this is your day, this is your night, so sit back, enjoy, relax muna kayo, reconnect, share love, and enjoy this beautiful moment with your family, friends, and loved ones because iisang pamilya na po tayo for the Tanay City Dance Sports Team. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to formally welcome us all in today's spectacular celebration, let us now listen to the opening remarks coming from the Tanay City Dance Sports Team head coach. Please welcome with a big round of applause to Mr. Manuel Manjo Cabajo.
Oh yeah.
Alright, good evening everyone. So here we are again, celebrating the Love Month, no? First and foremost, I would like to thank everybody for being here as we celebrate this lovely celebration. Okay, thank you also sa ato ang mga guests, husband, sa ato ang mga members. We would like to welcome you all and also to our new members of the family. Let's give them a big hand. Alright. First is I would like to emphasize lang for our theme. Anong theme for this celebration is love and passion. Diba? As we can see sa ating invitation, ay nakabulang ang love and passion. Love because we all love to dance. And passion is dancing is in our spirit. So, love and passion. So, muna siya yung ito ang theme. All throughout our journey, hapit na ta mag 1 year. Hapit na ta mag 1 year. So, I would like to thank everyone for always being with us. To the core team of Tanay City Dance Sport Team for always spreading love, positivity, and fun. Thank you very much, everyone. Let's give everybody a big hand.
Thank you very much to Mr. Manjo Cabajo. Now this time, we have